If you want to learn how to make money online, then watch this video to the end. Here on my screen you will see the amount I have made so far using this website, 220,500 naira. And also a colleague I taught how to make money using this website has made over 180,000 naira. You can see it on the screen. This is a proof that this website is paying. I am making this video to show you how you can create an account on this website and how you can start making money from it. Before I proceed, I want to say thank you to those that have subscribed to my channel, and if you are new on my channel, my name is Augustine Sarati Miracle. Kindly click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you will always get notified whenever I post a new video. Let's proceed. Go to your web browser, search for Hawkit.ng. Hawkit.ng. This is the page of the website. This is it. It said get paid for posting adverts daily on your social media. Earn daily income by reselling products, posting adverts, and performing simple social tasks for top businesses and brand on your social media account. So all you have to do now is create account. Click on create account, then you put your full name here. Put your full name. You put your full name here, and then this place where it says referrals username, you just put Miracle Guy 001 there, then you click on sign up. So it will redirect you to another page where you have to choose your username. So just choose anything you feel like using as your username. So this is what I'm going to use as my username, and then put in your email. Put your email, the email of your choice. So this is the email I'm going to use, and put my password as well. Okay, say this username already exists, so I'm going to change it and then put something else. So this is it. It says verify your email. They'll send a code to your email, then you put the code here where it's required. Put the code here where it's required, then you continue. Then you fill out the details, male or female, your state, local government, your local government, state, those state, your local government, and then click on set location. So you are all done. You have to you either upload your photo or you skip the process. I'll skip the process for now, and say let's know more about you so you can personalize your experience on Hawkit. Say add your date of birth, day, month, and year. Add your date of birth. So and then so I'll click on your this now. Continue. It said welcome to Hawkit. Please select what you want to do on Hawkit today. For advertiser, get people to post your adverts on your social media and know, say become a member. and all that thing. So become a member. You have to pay 1,000 naira to get started. This is it. For you to become their member, you have to pay 1,000 naira to get started. Say turn your social media account into a money machine. So this is it. Um, Click on it, then click to pay. Currently your wallet is having zero balance, so make an online payment. You have to make an online payment. You change, either you pay with your card or you pay with bank transfer. So I'm going to do bank transfer. I will change the payment method. Click on bank transfer. You pay. Click on proceed. So this is the detail you are going to transfer to Wema, and they also give you your account details. So I have done the transfer. Then I'll click on I have made this bank transfer. I'll wait for it to load for them to confirm it. Payment made, payment confirmed. So it's still on process, still processing. Just have to wait for about 60 seconds. We are confirming your transfer. This could take about 4 minutes 35 seconds. Please do not refresh this page. So let's wait for it. This is it. Say thank you for your payment. Your transaction was completed successfully. Then click on close. Then you go over to your marketplace. Come over. Let's start with the home page. Say welcome to Hawkit. Okay. Come over to earn. We already made say congratulations. Congratulations, you are now a member. To proceed on Hawkit, you have to update your phone number. Please enter a valid phone number. A two-factor code will be sent to you to verify number. So put in your phone number yet for verification. So I'll click on continue. Update phone number. Say phone number already existed. Please. Say phone number already existed. Please use a different phone number. Okay. Okay, you put in your phone number. I said put in your phone number to receive two-factor code. So you put in your number, then you click on update number. Say phone number has been updated. Please close your app and open it again so you can refresh your website to proceed to the next page. Okay. Then okay, you can either then you said download the Hawkit mobile app. You can also download this mobile app, register from your mobile app, and then log into your mobile app if you have already registered from their website. So all you need to do now is start earning. This is the page, start earning. It says congratulations, you are now a member. Your membership has been activated successfully. You can now earn daily by posting adverts and performing tasks on your social media account. Click the button below to start earning by generating your next task. You can perform as many tasks as possible. Currently you can see on this place 119 total tasks for you to perform. So you can click on perform tasks to start perform perform tasks to start earning. Then you can also say earn daily by posting adverts and performing. You can see it here. Then this one, you said get people to repost your advert and perform social tasks for you on their social media account. So this Hawkit website, you can either use it to get people to post or run some certain tasks for you on your social media depending on what you want, and then you can also use it to run tags for people to also earn from it. So the major tags I do recommend in this Hawkit website is reselling of goods, reselling of products. So all you have to do now, you can see here it said dissertation writing audiobook. It said 2100. If you should sell this, click the button below to resell this product and earn 1000 naira in sale commission. You can see it, and this other one says click the button below to resell this product and earn 2950 naira sale commission. So reselling in this Hawkit is very simple, and it will make you earn a lot. It will make you earn a lot. So all you have to do now is either you click on resell on any product you want, or you go to run tax. You come on this part where it said earn daily by posting adverts. You click on get started, then you see they will show you different adverts that are available for you to do. So you can see this one, it says post advert on Instagram, post advert on Twitter, 100 naira per advert. So these things are really easy. You can either post advert for post, if you should post at least 10 adverts, you'll be getting 1000 naira for each post you do. And most of you don't use your social media page for something like this, and if you should do it now, you are going to earn a lot. So you can see this one, say post advert on TikTok, 100 naira per earning. Say post advert on WhatsApp status, 50 naira per status post. So you can also go back and then click on resales. If I want to resell this product now, all I have to do is resell products, generate link for the reselling for the product you want to resell. Then you copy your link. Then you download the pictures for the product you are reselling. It's very easy to do. You download image. You can see how I downloaded the image now. You can download different image. As you can see here, this product has 6 images. So it's your choice to know the one you are going to download or not. But for me, I would say download all of them. And if for instance you are to post this link on your, if you are for instance to post this link on your social media page, and you don't want anybody to know you are reselling, you want them to think you are the one that is selling the product direct, you just have to, all you have to do is copy your link, then go to bit.ly.com, bit.ly or short or tiny url.com, tinyurl.com. Paste your link here, then click on shorten URL. They will generate another URL for you which does not have the name of the previous websites, So that link they generated for you, all you need to do is paste it on your WhatsApp, or maybe if all you have to do is give the link to the person that is going to buy, so that they can click on it and also purchase it through the link after maybe they have talked with you and they have decided to purchase the product from you. So these are different products you can sell here. And mind you, not only bags they sell on this Hawkit, there are different things. There are different things you can get.